Mind your dots, exploring the ellipsis in English. Hello, everyone. Today we are going to delve into the world of English punctuation, specifically focusing on the ellipsis. This mysterious trio of dots is used more often than you might think, but it can be quite tricky to handle, especially in terms of how it's used in formal and informal writing. So let's clear up the confusion around the use, mistakes, and overuse of ellipses. Firstly, let's get our basics right. An ellipsis is a set of 3 consecutive dots, often used in writing or printing to indicate an omission, pause, or unfinished thought. It's a useful punctuation mark, but one that needs to be used judiciously. In formal writing, an ellipsis is typically used to indicate that a portion of the text has been omitted. This could be in the middle of a sentence, or it could indicate the trailing off of a thought. In informal writing, such as in text messages or social media posts, the ellipsis might be used more loosely. It can indicate a pause in thought, a leading statement, a way of indicating that the writer is leaving something unsaid, or even to create a sense of suspense or drama. Now, onto the common mistakes. The most common mistake is using more or less than 3 dots. Remember, an ellipsis is always 3 dots, no more, no less. Another common mistake is spacing. In formal writing, there should be a space before and after the ellipsis, as well as between each dot. In informal writing, however, it's common to see no spaces at all. Finally, don't use an ellipsis when a period, comma, colon, or semicolon would suffice. It's not a universal punctuation mark and shouldn't be used as a catch-all substitute. A common pitfall in using ellipses is overuse. Using too many ellipses can make your writing seem disjointed or vague. While this might be okay in certain informal contexts, in most cases, it's better to use a comma or period to create a more straightforward sentence structure. Remember, an ellipsis is like a spice. A little goes a long way. Don't let your writing get overpowered by it. And that's it for today's lesson on the ellipsis. Remember, 3 dots, mind the spaces, don't substitute for other punctuation marks, and avoid overuse. With these guidelines in mind, you should be able to navigate the tricky waters of ellipsis usage with ease. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be a punctuation pro. See you in the next video.